10 relaxing waterfalls to help you unwind. 1. Angel Falls, Venezuela, the world's highest waterfall. 2. Seljalandsfoss, Iceland. Visitors can walk behind the water. 3. Plitvice Lakes in Croatia. 4. Iguazu Falls, Arizona. 5. Iguazu Falls, Argentina. 6. Multnomah Falls, Oregon with its bridge. 7. Kuang Si Falls in northern Laos. 8. Bridal Veil Fall, Yosemite National Park, California. 9. Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe, one of the largest waterfalls in the world. 10. Niagara Falls, Canada, a natural masterpiece that creates dazzling rainbows.